Yep.
Hey,
It's early, but I've taken a few pulse checks and I placed one trade for a 6 tick win.
okay.
So I'm just sitting on my hands now.
Were
I don't
you
want
just
to.
trading on spoofs?
Yeah, yeah, it was really good spoof to the downside there. But I don't want to. I don't want to attack the open too many times because my rule's like one and done kind of thing. Wait a couple more minutes. But took a pulse check short here at 69. Take it there for 3 ticks, maybe a point. Spoofs are working today, it looks like.
Buy. 30 minutes tight. Divergence buy side.
Yeah. Pretty strong sign right there.
Minute.
So no news today.
Three minute. Clear. Divergence. Has gone up. It's not really continuation though. Wait a second. Oh, I got the wrong fucking Wait, what did I open up? This looks like some natural shit. I opened the wrong fucking.
It looks pretty spoofy. I'm gonna try it.
Make sure you get book balance. Consider making a decision.
Yeah, I got out of it. Four took loss.
What happened? You didn't have book balance?
I don't think so.
All right.
Let me see. It's more balanced here.
What?
It said it looks more balanced here. I'm not gonna try it though. I'll pulse check if try it too here. 67.25.
I feel like you're getting overconfident.
Yeah, it definitely could be because today it looks like it's set into a range day. Probably take it for the
Now
break
they're
even.
starting to break up on this divergence, but they're actually moving with this.
Taking back the Delta reclaim.
It's actually diverging two ways. It just blew out the top. Immediate long. driving that down on real volume. Wait a second, I have fucking delayed data. God damn it.
Yeah, they're at high update right now. 70s, 72s. Still a divergence. The spikes there.
Wait, I think I have to connect my account. I forget that I sometimes have to connect an account. And once a month to see our charts.
Necklace is pointing long now. It was indecisive at the open. And it could still be an indecision
I
day.
don't. Until I get this data problem sorted out, I don't know what the fuck's happening.
Spoofed it down. I'm gonna try it. Long 72. Took a 2-tick loss. It's just not quite going as fast as I want it to.
You need to slow down. You took 2 losses in a row. I need you to do some Wim Hof. We need to know what's going on. Do some breathing and focus on what you may think is the issue.
Mute my mic. Just trying to focus on selectivity. I don't think I'm being selective enough.
Yeah. You're rushing it. No, I have everything working. There we go. Had some connection issues now. Good. Another massive divergence here. They're spoofing a little bit lower. It's almost like they're trying to drift the market down some. We'll see if that's the case. See if we can get some book balance here. Pulse check short 65.75.
Yeah, I think that's a good pulse check.
It's not worth shit though. They all got reloaded. There it goes. Be a point there. I don't know if I would have hung out in there for a point.
This move looks spoofy.
Urging.
To balance a little bit. I'll probably pulse check it here. 66.50 short. Take it there for the point. If I could, I might not have gotten filled on the point.
On the 30-second, there's really not much spoofing above us. It seems like it got driven on hard volume, which it got driven up on hard volume, and they took it back.
Yeah. Let me mark this spoofing. It's almost like they put in a pretty heavy support here in 64s, 63s. So they might need to battering ram in order to take it.
Take what?
The support at 63s.
Now they're diverging up. Here.
If they pull the offers before they break it.
Spoofing it up.
Yeah, just a little bit. I like it if it's a little higher than that.
More spoofing it up.
I'm gonna stock a short here. 64.75 fills.
That's a good idea. Probably should take it. You should probably take the 2 or 3. Oh, there it goes.
Got it? I think I got 5 on that. Yeah, I got 5.
They're fucking failing on fucking divergence on the buy side.
That's pretty much exactly what I thought was gonna fucking happen.
Why?
Because I've noticed the last couple weeks since we've started trading these spoofs is if they're trying to breach an area of support or resistance, the only way they can do that is if they pull the offers and put in a fucking spoof pullback. Kind of like a battering ram, and they kind of had to do it a few times here. They the first spoof up generated a bunch of sellers, and then they spoofed it up again, fucked some of those sellers to generate a little bit more liquidity, and then right before they broke it, they spoofed up one more time. Kind of like the bouncy ball, you know the bouncy ball effect where it bounces and then it bounces smaller and then it bounces smaller. I've noticed they've been doing that the last 2 weeks. Now, that doesn't mean it's always going to be repeatable. I think this is a very market environment driven setup. But I've noticed they've been doing that the last few weeks where they'll bouncy ball, and each time the ball bounces, it's a spoof, and they take it back. Because to put some rationale to it, they have to generate liquidity to break that support. And how do they generate liquidity? They have to pull the offers so that the price shoots up on nothing, and then they can get filled with more sellers selling liquidity. This looks like pretty solid buying. I'm not gonna fade this.
Spoofing it a little bit to the low side. I'm gonna pull check short 64.25. On the 3 second, if you watch the white, at least my spoofs are white.
Yeah.
If you watch it, they'll drift it in one direction or another, and it seems like that's hinting which way it's gonna go. Like they put in a bunch of whites, but then they ticked it down.
That's interesting. Shit. I realized just now, as you said that, I forgot to change my number bar specification. It was 15.
Have it at 15. 15:45.95.
15:45.95. Okay. Yeah, I can see that pretty clear now.
The sellers are trying to hold it here. almost like they're making another profile or some shit like they did on Friday. Now you have sellers attempting. Yay. Down. See how they drifted? They're drifting it up.
Yep.
I think they're building a position here.
That's really interesting, dude.
They keep drifting it up a little bit by a tick. I have the smallest hint of green and red for the spoofs, where I can barely tell, but they're mostly white.
Okay, so just a pinch of fucking red and green.
Like
so you know
it's look at
drifting.
my screen.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
I made sure that the colors are really, you can tell the difference between all four. But I think the problem is the 3-second is always too dark if you have dark on the low numbers. It's always just too dark and harder for me to see and review. Because most of the
that's
volume is
fair.
just
Yeah,
bullshit.
that's a good point.
Anyways. Getting some immediate divergence blowouts. Like buyers are not buyers. Balance. See if they drift. There's a reclaim over here on the 30-second, like PA reclaim. But I don't have like book balance to do it for a double R. Now it's spoofing a little bit of both ways. It's almost as if they're okay with either direction here.
Yeah, that's definitely what it felt like earlier too.
I want to see a bunch of whites tip it off. They keep spoofing it lower now. At least they just did there. They did it again. Pulse check 69.20. I'm just gonna short it here. Say we got the fill on it.
Short?
Yeah. I'll take it for that 2 ticks though, because there's an iceberg there.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can see him on the 3-second. You can see him drifting the spoof in one direction or another. The 30-second doesn't have clean spoofs, though. It's not like super white in a lot of areas.
Yeah, I think because they're wash trading so much that eventually they managed to put in at least some volume.
Well, the wash trading hides the real volume, but we can see that real volume did come in.
Yeah.
If they're wash trading and there's nothing, then it'll be all white and shit. Which you can see on the 3-second, but like a good huge chunk of it is not that. You have such heavy buying on the way up too.
Yeah, that's what I noticed too.
But now the sellers are fucking. But we just saw the sellers immediately get blown out. But I don't know if we're in a fucking range or what. If we're in a fucking like bell curve or something, where it could go to the POC at 67. They spoofed it up and attracted some buyers for sure. Now they're spoofing it low. They're like two-way here. Okay, now that's getting light on the 30-second. So they just drifted down on that. A little bit of book balance. Oh, they're really attempting to gun it here. Try to get long 66.75 for real. Didn't get the fill, not wanting to re-engage that without any book imbalance here. There was book balance. Now the sellers again are on that POC.
A little spoofy. They validated the reclaim. I'm gonna try a short for 2 ticks. Took it off there, got the 2 ticks out of it.
So we failed up divergence, but now they're kind of coming in. There is a bigger, heavier divergence on. I'm looking at just a 30-second chart from almost the open to now.
Yeah.
It's all spoofed on the 30-second.
I don't want to attack this area again, so I'm just gonna get some water. With my legs. I'll be right back.
Nabbed a point. First trade of the session long. Just they balanced out this reclaim. It's all spoofed up there. We got the spoofing above. Does have a little bit of EV on it. There's some spoofing below us too. A little bit of a little book balance there with a cell diverge, but I don't really trust the cells diverges today. I'll pulse check 6720 or 6750 short. I'll pulse check on. It doesn't. It's not yielding. Now there it is. They spoofed it up on the 3 second. They went 2 ticks. Boom. Immediately it brought fucking volume. This whole mid bust right here is fucking on the 30 second is spoofed.
So that spoof would have worked for 2 ticks, maybe.
Did have a. They did just. They just blew out. They're blowing out these divergences, and they're starting to work on a bigger one on the higher time frame. But this 30 second is all fucking spoofed in this whole section for like, I don't know, 2 points or so. Do some book balancing here. Come on, balance. They won't spoof it low for sure. And they're hitting a pocket. They're blowing out a lot of shit here. It's not completely balanced. Thought about getting along in that section, but I don't have everything I'm looking for. Oh, they're definitely trying to run gun here.
Got some price action reclaim up here.
Move low. There's a bigger divergence up here. They're trying to get it to go lower.
Yeah, they're drifting out. It could be slip ranging.
But the problem is there's reclaim. They're busting a bigger, higher time frame reclaim up top.
Yeah.
And this could be just a shallowest of pullbacks.
Yeah, I could just jam it.
Seller reload, man. These fucking sell side Ds have been fucking crapping out. I think I've had like 3 or so crap out in a row. They spoof that low.
Yeah, we're mid slip range. Let's see if they can keep spoofing it to the bottom of the range. That looks like mid. There's a pulse check long, but I don't think I would pull the trigger quite yet. Looks pretty
So that
spoofy.
did that PA down fucking actually held. It could be a drift down and they could now they're trying for it. This has happened where they put in the divergence and they drift out, but then they come back in.
I'm gonna stalk along, but I would like to really have slip favor on it.
And wait. If it goes, it goes. Make peace with that.
Oh yeah, I'm not in the mood to chase anything today.
They're spoofing it upward. A little bit of book balance here. Just open it up more. What do you guys want? What's up there? Huh? What the fuck's up there that you want so bad, you sons of a bitches? Still spooking it in an upthrust fashion. Few points for Fatty. That's right. Was waiting up there. I got caught on the pullback a little bit, but I ran through the checklist and it just was looking good, man.
Yeah. Yeah, I tried to get
The
filled.
divergents are failing, and like if we look at this, look at here, look at my screen. See this bigger cell divergence from the open?
Yeah.
If they were blown out, it's all fractal, right? You know how the channel. I think since they were blowing out a lot of the little ones on the low side, because I have the checklist here, I was tracking it,
Yeah.
right? Someone immediate long, I had a few drift down, but then they did the fail on the upside. So, I mean, there's 4 of them in there. So,
Yeah.
to me, I'm like, I'm going to push into it. I kind of FOMO'd in a little bit. I knew I could have probably broke even on it, but I wasn't going to give it some grace.
Yeah, I think that ended up being an awesome trade. I tried to get 67.50, but I don't think I would have held that long. Probably would have taken it for like a point or something.
What are you up? 3 points?
I wish I was up 3 points. I'm up 3 ticks, I think.
You really have gotten that much trouble?
Let me see. What's today? 18th. Oh, no, I'm up 6 ticks.
Surgical approach today. Almost. Could have been. I've come to the conclusion like last week, it was just a lot of, well, lack of clarity, but just let that go.
Yeah.
We're gonna be, the checklist is gonna be a way where you can start tracking multiple factors of support. So if you start running through everything, you can have certain nodes go MFS 2, 3, 4, 5, and if the checklist rotates out,
Mhm.
and some of those conditions aren't met, that multiple factors support will go away, and then it can tag for you, so you can, I think it'll be important to see how much supporting factors you have.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree.
But for me, I realized that I needed to be just substantially more patient and wait for total clarity.
Yeah.
So they blew that out. I don't know what it has left on the upside, if it has anything in it. You said you're up 6.
Yeah.
Now the 30 seconds just balanced. but it's overrunning. You're starting to get that seller divergence yet again.
Oh yeah, yeah, good catch.
But see where they're trying to drift it to. See it, man. They do their little fucking.
Yeah. I feel like the low volume tells you where price wants to go.
It does. Watch the 3 second ones like those near white note. They're being real sellers though.
Sheesh.
They found something. Sometimes I think they just like are probing around to see who bites.
Yeah,
So that short guy fucking dumped. That fucker went short continuation. That's the first one to have done it. We know this mid bust, this section here, this POC fucking had spoofing in it.
yeah.
So they ran through that section. There's not. The trade is there. It'll reward you for patience.
Yeah. Yeah, there's opportunities today.
They're every day. If you wait. Every day you can get 3 points out of the market. Well, unless it's one of those fucking shit fuck grinds.
Star code fucking day.
Definitely found something.
Fuck.
They're spoofing it up a little bit. Just a little though.
Yeah.
But it seems like the sellers are overpowering the spoof.
Not quite spoofy enough for my liking.
Still booking balance low. Well, there's spoof probing low a little bit. There's a full white bar on the 3 second. Pulse check short 65.
I like this spoof. I'm gonna stalk it. I'm gonna take it here, 65, 75.
Did you take it?
Yeah.
What, long?
Short.
Oh, did you get fucked up on it?
Yeah, I flat keyed it there for Vortex loss.
Too much above, man. Now they're buy diverging.
Yeah, I was just about to say that.
The book's about to balance low. There's a lot of book imbalance they're attempting.
I'm thinking continuation.
Up?
Down.
Yeah, I think so too. But they keep spoofing it up. I don't know if there's what the pullback looks like.
Yeah.
I think there needs to be a slight drift. For the first time, we've had a divergence on the top side actually hold. So there's a change in character where these lower guys might get blown out. But they just spoofed it up. They keep spoofing it up. They're trying to get it to go somewhere. Up there. For now. I don't know if they're trying to balance the book or what.
I'm gonna try 68 short. I like that I have that at least 3 solid ticks of spoof below me.
Book's still in balance heavily above. Some degree.
Yeah, they're spoof drifting on me. Lock key it there.
Getting impatient here.
Yeah, I mean, I'm managing my losses well, but at the end of the day, they're fucking losses. You know.
More. Now they're spoofing it low a little bit.
Yeah, it's drifting.
Is there any book balance that could be formed out?
I spoofed it there. Alright, I'm gonna try this one more time for the short side. This is my last attempt, though.
They're spoofing it up again.
That could work for me right there if they hold that. I just don't want to see them drift upwards. Like if we don't take
Tick
that,
if you get a tick or some shit. You should just
if we don't take that lower fucking high.
taking too long. They're spoofed it up again.
Getting out of this.
Did you get anything for it?
Break even.
Okay, that's not bad. They keep spoofing it up.
And they're compressing. I do not want to get in on compression.
Look like they're spoofing it up again for 4 fucking ticks. So you gotta watch that drift, man.
Yeah.
How they fucking. That's what got you, dude. They're fucking. They keep pointing upward. I think they're trying to balance the book. There's the book.
Yeah, I like the spoof below. I'm gonna stalk it. I want to be on the right side of the V.
Make sure they start probing at it though.
Yeah.
They're not. They're still probing up. They want. They need to balance the book up. Now they're fucking showing something.
Yeah.
Wait, they did it again. They're going up. They're going up. They're still going up. They're still spoofing upward.
Yeah. I'm waiting for right side of the V, if anything.
You need to see those white bars start printing. Look, wait, was that the?
I'm gonna try it
They just-
here.
I think that might be. They're still spoofing up, dude. There's a large chunk below us, though.
Yeah.
There's the first. There's the first go at it.
First leg here. Let's see if they can take back this spoof down to 67s. So they're trying to spoof it up here, but it's getting taken back, which is good. I want to see them keep doing that.
Don't get the world out of it.
No.
I got 5 ticks on it, but I think I took a 2-tick loss or some shit. Just you need to start rolling your trade out of what happened. You need to roll.
Yeah. I'm trying to get
Roll.
it.
Roll.
Got
Roll.
it. 5 ticks.
There you go. You're starting to revenge trade a little bit. Let's do a little. Do a little hypnosis here, man. Go ahead and
Let me mute my squawk real quick. Alright, I'll mute that. I'll minimize this. Get some sounds.
Yeah, I need it. Pull up sounds.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Here, do this sound. It's going in chat. Do this one.
Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
Taking 3 deep breaths in, breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, letting all the impatience leave. Breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth, letting all the impatience leaving. Looking upward, focusing on a spot. Breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, closing the eyes, coming into a field, a tree, seeing the thunderstorm of change above you, flashing in the sky, the storm of abundance is upon you. Seeing the green grass swaying in the wind, seeing the branches rustle in the wind, feeling the air flowing through your hair, noticing a wooden chest right underneath the one tree in this field. You slowly walk up, hearing the grass crunching under your feet, feeling the grass brushing across your bare legs, getting closer to the tree with the chest underneath it. You stoop down on your knees, feeling the foliage pushing into your skin. You reach out with your left hand, touching the left corner of the chest, feeling the cold patina of the metal in the palm of your hand. Reaching out with the right hand, feeling the cold patina with your right hand. You lift the heavy lid, revealing royal purple velvet interior. Feeling the pull of the chest like a vacuum in space, pulling all of the thoughts out of your head. You feel your thoughts being sucked into the chest, taking all of your thoughts about the trading day and sticking them in the box. Take your thoughts of you being up and then being down and putting them in the box. Taking the frustration of this session and placing it in the box. Taking the impatience of rushing and sticking it in the box. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Blowing any lingering thoughts into the box. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Taking any lingering thoughts, placing them into the box. Bankrolling all your thoughts to the box. You have an abundance of opportunity. And part of trading is fighting. meticulous, skillful fighting. Plenty of times where things go wrong and you can recover. Putting the impatience in the box. What if you could take what I just told you, placing it in the chest, just unloading all of your thoughts, coming to the place of change, taking all your frustrations, breathing in through the nose, feeling the frustrations and breathing them out to the box, letting it all leave. Breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth, letting all your frustrations go into the box. Just existing. Just existing in this moment. Focusing on the breath. Reaching into your pocket and pulling out a skeleton key with a lion's head and a dragon's body running up the shaft of the key. You reach out with both hands, shutting the heavy lid, feeling it thud. Sealing every thought deep inside. Taking the key in your right hand. Using your left hand to guide the front of the key into the cavity of the lock. Feeling the key rotating to the right. Feeling the locking mechanisms engaging. As soon as the locking mechanisms engage, the box starts to vanish. Now you are just here under a tree. What if you could take a seat and lean against the tree as though you are sitting against a chair? Enjoying this moment in nature. Enjoying peace and serenity. Feeling the thunderstorm of relaxation entering your body. Feeling your toes relax. Feeling your feet relax. Feeling your legs relax. Looking up into the thighs, relaxing. Feeling the hips relaxing. Feeling the stomach relaxing. Feeling your chest relaxing. Feeling your neck melting away with relaxation as it trickles into your arms. Feeling the relaxation trickling down into the fingers. Feeling the hands relaxing, the thumb relaxing, feeling the pointer finger middle. The ring. The pinky. Melting. As it works its way into your face. Feeling your cheeks drooping with relaxation. Feeling the face relaxing. Feeling the crown of the head relaxing. Feeling the thunderstorm of abundance upon you. An abundance of opportunity is here. The lesson of the day is watching the 3-second bars spoof drift. This is your main focus, understanding what direction you're drifting, reconnecting with the checklist process that has given you immense clarity. Clarity is the number one important thing. Your clarity, pure divine clarity, enters your body, breathing in through the nose, feeling the clarity entering your soul, breathing out all the used up confusion through the mouth, breathing in the clarity through the nose, breathing up all of the confusion. Feeling the cool, crisp air of the thunderstorm entering your nose, filling you with clarity, pure clarity with many factors of support, breathing out all the confusion, waiting for multiple factors of support, waiting for the spoof drift to align, nailing book balance, running through a procedure. The procedure has given you clarity. You know it works. Craving, tapping into it like a delicious meal. What if you could imagine the most delicious meal? Mouth watering, delicious. Craving it. It's making you hungry. This is what clarity is. Pure clarity. This meal has multiple portions on the plate, just like multiple factors of support. What if you could imagine seeing the multiple portions on the plate? The main course and the side courses. Notice how everything on this plate complements each other. One alone would not be delicious enough. It is when all of these are combined that you feel at peace. True clarity will come. pure clarity. Nothing else matters. What if you could imagine a puppy who has passed? The neck has been cut open and there is a ball of hair. The stench is rancid. The thought of saving the puppy crosses your mind. It could have been saved. Just like your trading. It makes you sick to your stomach to see the sight, to smell these smells. This is what lack of clarity smells like. This is what happens when you don't have multiple factors of support. It is deeply disturbing. Professional trading is patience and clarity. There is no need to make things worse. Just relax. Coming to the place of abundance and clarity, feeling the thunderstorm of abundance upon you, feeling the raindrops of abundance touching your skin, filling your soul with fiery clarity. What if you could imagine your future self standing in front of you, a ghost-like hologram? The future version of you who is a professional trader is upon you. You look each other in the eyes, and the message is clear. You know what you must do as your future self reaches down and grabs your hand to pull you up. Coming back into the room, feeling everything around you, awakening to this moment, slowly opening the eyes and just existing. Go ahead and cut everything off.
Ooh. Turned my stomach there.
What do you think you need to do in this moment?
I need to be patient and I need to wait for absolute clarity. I need to be selective. I have not been selective enough today. I need to pay attention to the drift, and I also can't fight the trend. Both in price action and delta. Right now, it looks like delta's screaming up move. Turn my squawk back on.
Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. 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 Buy. Buy.
I to see what that last down move looked like. It looks like we found buyers, at least temporarily, and it kept spoofing up. So I need to be careful of that. If it just keeps spoofing up, that means I'm fighting the trend.
Go ahead and check the higher time frames.
Yep. I see a big ass price action or a reclaim that we've put resistance into. I'll draw that out. We've tested that like 5-6 times now. 5 minute, we've got a lot of price action reclaim, but we are technically downtrending.
Sell side divergence here. Have we retested this area? No, we haven't been up this high. This is that point of control area.
Yeah. Almost looks like a top tick that we just put in.
There was a chunk where they did try to drift it up, and they did get it to go up into the 70s. They're drifting it up again. Or attempting.
Draw that delta reclaim. Price action reclaim low. That could go both sides. Let me see what the drift tells me.
There's a bit of buy. Side holding. This whole area is a little too side spoofed.
Yeah, it certainly looks like it. It's almost like we're at the peak of a profile. There's so much wash trading going on in here.
There seems to be true resistance.
Yeah, they top ticked it. I certainly don't want to be long after that top tick. At least not until we show signs of reclaiming it.
They're spoofing it lower. They spoof drift it lower a little bit.
Yeah, the spoof drift definitely seems to be pointing that way. We are in one big range on the daily, or not on the daily, sorry, the 30-second. I'm gonna draw this range out. We're smack mid on it right now.
Again, a second drift low. Now they're drifting it up though.
Yeah,
More ticks up.
Let me see how they react to this drift. Yeah, looks like they're drifting up now.
They're drifting it up again. It seems like when a seller comes in, every other bar is white. So they go ahead and just spoof it a little, like a tick, just to see if the sellers come in. Now they're actively. When they get to the 67s, they're spoofing it low. But they're also willing to do it the other way too.
Yeah.
I think they're trying to. Yeah, they're doing it up. I think they're trying to just play this range. Running 3 ticks low. Now they're running at 3 ticks up.
Spoof
They
up.
ran it up a lot. That whole
Yeah,
it's almost
into
like
the super range.
quite a bit. Like book balance. Now it's imbalanced again.
Drifting low.
But we also know right around these 67s, they'll also do it up.
They'll spoof it up. Yeah, exactly.
It's like it's natural-ish. Volume coming in.
Yeah, it's relatively normal.
Be right back.
I'm gonna take this for the slip range. Short. Picked up 3 ticks short.
Nice. I'll let that go.
Yeah, I got a
Continue
pull.
to
That's
hunt.
all I care about.
It's not really, it's like every other tick is real volume. I think that whole up move, they just took those buyers out.
Yeah.
Still every other tick. So that was interesting. They did a lot of two-way spoofing, and now they're procuring some form of volume.
Getting a little too tight here. I'm just gonna go take a piss real quick. Drift downwards, but now they're balanced. Okay, a little bit of spoof above.
It was every other node though. There was a 2-ticker up there.
Okay.
Not really seeing much diverging or any of that shit. It's because this whole mid section is spoofing.
Yeah.
That's when they do that, the diverging goes away. They're hitting a bigger section of book. Balance. It's like they're letting natural volume take over.
It's still drifting. Don't want to fade this.
They just spoofed it up.
Just gotta be super careful on those up spoofs. So that's what was killing me earlier.
Now they're ran it down 3 ticks. Now they probed it up a tick, ran it 2 to the low, 2 to the low. 2 to the low. 2 to the low.
Barcoding.
There they go. They found them. That's interesting. There's a big fucking buyer that came in.
Yeah, they're
There
fighting.
was liquidity there.
I'll mark out that delta reclaim.
Now we know on the 32nd that whole 68 section is two-way spoofing.
Yeah.
Two-way up. They found sellers.
Some volume coming in here. They found something. Spoofing it up. I just gotta be careful on those up spoofs.
That actually had decent volume come in. For 4 ticks, somebody really, I don't know if those sellers are bailing.
Yeah, if we start spoof drifting up, I think that's a good change in character, and we've got good delta reclaim with a price action reclaim above us.
Problem is, are these sellers going to keep fighting it?
Yeah, I want the sellers to start spoofing up, because when they were doing that earlier, I mean, you couldn't fade it.
They spoofed it low, a tick. Found sellers, spoofed it another tick. Found sellers. Spoof low, 4 ticks. Found a buyer.
Yeah, they double bottomed on the spoof there.
Weird on the 32nd.
This looks like spoof up.
3 of those bars were green for me.
Yeah, it's very slight green.
Oh, I have it more dark. Like only on when that went up, it was like a white-ish, and then it was 3 lime greens for me.
Yeah, three dark greens for me, which is volume. I know what I want. I know what I want to see. And I'm being patient and selective about it.
This is a mid. All this is mid spoof, anyways, between 65s and 62s. There's huge book imbalance low on the 32nd overall. Oh, they spoofed it up again. Now they spoofed it low for 4 ticks. They spoofed it up for 2. They're procuring a position here.
Yeah, I want to see it start drifting up. Looks like that's what they're trying to do.
There's buy divergence here now. I don't know if they're going to break that. Because the divergences may drift up and then they come in. The book is overall heavily imbalanced to the low side.
Yeah, I've got a lot of delta and price action reclaim above. It looks like buyers are absorbing these sell orders. I just need more confirmation of that first.
4 ticks spoof up.
Alright, I'm gonna stalk along here.
Chase that if you didn't get it.
No, I'm gonna wait for a pullback here.
Make sure they don't spoof it low on your apps though. That may be changing, or that idea might.
There's still so much delta reclaim above us, which I'm not going to fall in love with, but it could factor into a long trade if it sets up.
They're spoofing it.
Spoof low, I'll try to grab that. Didn't fill me. That's okay. I pulled that. Let it go.
Yeah, I'll let that go. It might set up still, so
yeah, I'm still stalking it. Just not gonna chase
I did
it.
spoof it low for 3 ticks though in the 65s. They're spoofing it low again.
Yeah, we're coming into a spoof zone here.
I think they might dump it through this section a little bit. Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. 65.50 long. I expect a little bit of trouble on my entry. Let's see if they can push through this spoof zone. 67s. I'm not going to hold it for the world, but let's see how it reacts to 67s.
Might get.
I'm going to take it here. I feel like that's a solid fucking trade.
Yeah. Nice.
That was a 7-tick win.
How you sitting?
Let's see. I'm up 13 ticks. I'm going to call it there.
There you go.
Ooh.
So I guess when you're getting beat up, you really didn't go down too far.
No. No, I took that really nasty area. I took a 4-tick loss, a 4-tick loss, and then a break even. And then that's when you and me started stopped. Because in my mind, a break even is a loss. Like that is 3 consecutive losses.
Yep.
We took a break. I picked up 5 ticks win. I picked up 3 ticks win, and then I picked up 7 ticks win.
Okay. Send me your equity curve when you get a chance.
Alright. It's in chat.
How many trades did you take after the meditation? 3?
3, yeah. They're all winners.
All right.
Whew, yeah, I gotta go work out.
Get that review done.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm 1 day behind. I still gotta do Friday, and then I gotta do today.
Try to get your checklist together. Figure something out.
Yeah, I'm trying to scrape time together. I should tell you this. I went to see a chiropractor last week, and he said my back is fucked, man. He's like, you look like you're 60 years old on the X-rays. So I'm gonna be doing adjustments 3 days a week.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to schedule those for the evening so it doesn't eat up my trading time, but it's still more time that's getting scraped off my schedule. So as far as review and shit goes, I'm gonna try to just every morning I'm waking up at like 6:30, sit down at the desk, do some review, because that's my priority. I do not want to get a backlog of review. So unfortunately, the next window of free time that I'm gonna have to do the checklist is probably gonna be Thursday, because I'm off. So I'll just Thursday will be a grind today. I'll just sit down, I'll fucking get all my backlog review done, trade for maybe an hour, and then just checklist, man. I want to get that fucking checklist knocked out.
All right.
So I will be trading tomorrow morning.
All right. See ya.
See ya.
Sell.